Welcome back to the Daily Struggle Podcast. Today, we're diving into one of the most explosive morning debates: coffee first or shower first? This topic may seem trivial, but I assure you, people's morning happiness hangs in the balance. You've got those who insist, "Don't even think about talking to me until I've had my coffee." And then there are the folks who can't start their day without a shower. It's like a morning civil war, right?
Wow. This is like a big deal, isn't it? So, I have a bunch of friends who are like super passionate about this. What's the deal with team coffee though? Like, do they really believe it's the key to happiness?
Absolutely. Team coffee is fueled by the desire for that rich, aromatic cup of energy right when they wake up. You've got to realize, coffee doesn't just wake you, it unlocks your brain. Imagine waking up and everything feels dull and foggy until the magic potion hits your lips. The sound of brewing coffee is often more reliable than an alarm clock. It's like a warm hug for your soul. And sipping that first cup while still in pajamas, it transforms that mundane shower into a much more rewarding experience.
Oh, that's so true. But I've heard that once you hop into the shower, it could, totally ruin your morning buzz if you're not awake yet. So, what about team shower?
Great point. Team shower definitely has its merits. A good shower, especially when the water temperature is just perfect, can wake you up faster than anything. It's like hitting a reset button for your day. You step in, and the warm water wakes up your senses, allowing you to truly enjoy that coffee afterwards. Plus, think about safety. Making coffee while still groggy can lead to little accidents, like spilling boiling water or burning toast. I mean, who hasn't had a near miss with a hot coffee pot after just waking up?
Haha, totally. I, have witnessed some major morning disaster moments. So, what does science say about this whole coffee versus shower debate? Do experts weigh in?
Oh, absolutely. Experts suggest waiting about 30 to 60 minutes after waking before indulging in caffeine. Your natural cortisol levels peak right after you rise, so drinking coffee too early might just leave you feeling flat. That said, when you're groggy and that delicious aroma hits you, logic goes out the window, and the craving for coffee takes over.
Right? It's like that moment you smell cookies baking. Who cares about calories then, am I right? Did you get any wild stories from our listeners on this coffee versus shower debate?
Definitely. Some listener responses were hilarious. One person even set up a coffee maker right next to their bed. Can you imagine waking up to that delightful smell every morning? Talk about a dream start. Another listener always showers first to avoid rushing back to drink coffee too early. And wait for this! One even takes their coffee into the shower. Talk about serious multitasking.
Whoa! Taking coffee into the shower does sound a bit wild, but I'm here for that vibe. I want to be that person. So after all this, where do we stand on this epic debate?
Well, I personally lean towards team coffee first. That first sip, pure magic to start the day. But you seem a bit more smitten with team shower first, because it makes you feel refreshed before diving into your coffee. We're still split, which means the ultimate answer might just be doing whatever makes you feel human, right?
Haha, yes. Do what makes you feel like a human. That's such a great take. So are we inviting our listeners to join in on this exciting debate?
Absolutely. We want to hear from you. Are you team coffee first, Team shower first, or team I just roll into the day like a zombie? Share your morning routines and secrets with us. We might feature your story in the next episode.
Awesome. Thanks for taking the time for this fun debate. So, what's your final thought on this whole morning routine saga?
At the end of the day, morning routines should whatever fuel your spirit. Thanks for tuning in to the Daily Struggle podcast. Don't forget to subscribe, leave us a review, and share this episode with your friends.
Can't wait for the next one. Bye, everyone.